Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share with you how you can use rice water to make your hair grow continuously. Okay, so if this is the kind of video you like to watch, please hit that subscribe button to join the family. To my OGs, thank you so much for coming back. So it is no news that a lot of videos have been trending online about rice water, how you can use rice water to make your hair very long, how you can use rice water to do this and do that, and people have had a lot of questions. To be honest, I think it varies from hair to hair. Okay, you should know your hair type. That's one. Know the type of hair you have and know, and most times you just have to try. And now, how do you try? There are procedures on how to do. You don't just say, okay, people are pouring rice water on their hair, and then you pack rice water and start pouring it on your hair. Okay, now it has a limited amount of time it has to stay on your scalp, and according to scientists and doctors, they say that it has to stay at least maximum of 20 minutes. Then after 20 minutes you go and wash it off. You understand? Because rice has a lot of starch that when you let it stay on your head or on your scalp for a very long time, it's going to start giving you itchy scalp, or before you know it start giving you dandruff and the rest. So you have to really wash it off after 20 minutes of applying it. So initially when I started growing my first 4C hair, this is my second 4C hair that I'm growing now, and it's just a year now. So when I started my first 4C hair, I was trying a lot of things. I was doing a lot of remedies on my hair, and my hair was really growing massively. So I couldn't tell the particular one that was actually helping with the hair growth. You understand? So but I knew I was doing a lot of, I was applying ginger, onions, rice water on my hair, even clove water on my hair. So I was doing all these things simultaneously without minding which one should come first or which one should come second. You understand? And my hair was really growing. My hair grew very fast. Actually, what made me lose that hair was that I found this relaxer that they said that was very good for 4C hair, that it doesn't relax the hair. It only makes the hair breathe. You understand? Remove the dirtiness on the scalp and all that. So I said, okay, let me give it a try. I didn't know it was a relaxer. I didn't know. Only for me to apply it on my hair and to realize that my hair got relaxed. You guys, I had to go cut down hair because I've fallen in love with 4C hair so much so bad that if it's not 4C hair, it is nothing at all. Okay, so right now I've learned my lesson. So but recently, after starting this new hair, to be honest, either because of the one I lost, that one was so long, you understand, so full and so beautiful. So but this one I haven't really been giving it all the attention that it needs, you understand. So I've just been growing it. There, it's growing, but I'm not giving it any attention. But I've decided that I'm going to start giving it attention because every woman's hair needs attention. And then one thing again I noticed about rice water is that rice water is not specifically for 4C hair only. Rice water is for every hair type. Okay, whether you're a white girl, you're a black girl, you're a colored girl, whoever you are, rice water is highly proteinous, and so it is good for every hair. You understand? So now, how do you get this your rice? How do you prepare it? You just, okay, rice water, and you pour it water and start pouring it on your hair? No. Now first thing is that when you get rice, you have to your normal white rice, the one that you cook, you have to wash off the dirty, wash off all those preservatives they used to preserve this rice. You have to wash it off, and then once you pour water and see that the water is clear and clean, then you leave that water and let it soak for as long as you want. Some even go as far as cooking it and getting the water. So when they get the water, if it is too condensed, you dilute it with a little water so as to make it evenly distributed and remove or lower the density. And then once you're done, you store it in your jar. And please, another thing too that doctors has confirmed is that do not spray rice water on a dry hair. Okay, rice water should be spread once you finished washing your hair, shampooed it, done every other things. Then you can now use rice water to spray on your hair. Now spray it very well, massage your scalp, do all those good stuff on your head, just romance your head, and then you can go and wash it off after 20 minutes. Now some has gone as far as adding some other things too to their rice water. As you can see in this video, she added orange peel in her rice water, and she puts it in a spray bottle and starts spraying it on her hair. I think Nepa took light. And then I start spraying it on her hair, as you can see. So rice water is, like I said earlier, is so filled with protein that it helps to grow your hair. But then one thing too that I've come to realize is that it doesn't work for everybody. You get? Because a lot of people are talking about rice water, rice water, rice water. They're making videos, pouncing and shouting, making the emoji face that looks like they're shouting, making it look like, damn. It doesn't work for everybody. Okay, rice water doesn't work for everybody. So look at your hair, try out new things and find out what works for you. Rice water might not work for you, and okra juice will work for you. Okay, I made a video about okra juice for your hair. You can go and watch that video. Okay, so rice water might not work for you, and then okra juice might work for you. Okra juice might not work for you, and then onions juice will work for you, or even ginger juice will work for you. So find out which one your body loves, find out which one your body likes, and do that one. Okay, yeah. So some people will add clove to their own rice water. It all depends on what you want and how you want it. You understand? There are different benefits of using rice water on your hair. Okay, but according to St. Bernard, the benefits of applying rice water to the hair include increased hair volume. You see why a lot of people are adding rice water to their hair. Okay, it helps to increase your hair volume. It equally makes your hair shine, even in appearance. It builds stronger follicles, repair cuticle damage. Sometimes our hair will grow and cut. Each time it's growing and it's cutting, and sometimes you wonder, why is my hair not growing? This hair has been, it's 10 years, it's 5 years, it's 6 years, and yeah, it's not growing. See somebody that started her hair journey a few days ago, look at how grown her hair is. It could be that your hair is actually cutting, and sometimes it is not healthy for your hair to be cutting, because when it's cutting, you just make your hair not to grow. Okay, so now rice water helps to repair cuticle damage. It removes and prevents dandruff. It's an inflammatory effect on your scalp. Okay, so it helps to boost your hair shine, its strength, and even the growth. Rice water is very essential to your hair. However, find out what works for you. Don't say, okay, because Irina said that rice water is very good on her hair, it makes her hair grow, it makes this, it makes that, and then you go and carry rice water and be pouring on your hair. Your hair might not grow. You understand? So if you try this one for 2 weeks, you measure and see if how fast it works. If it works fast, then you know that, okay, truly this one is working. But if it doesn't work, then you know that, okay, this one doesn't work for me, and then you try out another one. You understand? Don't mind everything that people are saying on social media, how they come and be shouting, rice water is this, rice water is that. Yes, rice water is actually good for your head, it's actually good for your scalp, it helps it grow, but then it's not always. I've seen a lot of people complain that rice water didn't do anything for them. In fact, it even damaged their hair and all that. So if you do not want to be on that side, just try and see, take measurements and check. If it works, fine. If it doesn't work, you move on to another remedy. Just know that God has given us so many beautiful things that we can use as remedy, so many beautiful seeds, that we can use as remedy. So if this one doesn't work, don't worry, move on to the next one. You're definitely going to find one that's going to work for you. Or you're the type of lady or woman that you just feel like you have dead cells on your head. You don't feel anything on your head, and it affects your hair growth too. You don't feel anything on your head. You can't even scratch your head and you feel the pain. You can't pinch your head and feel the pain. Then you need stronger things. Now, stronger thing like what's it called? Ginger, onions. Those things activate your blood cells on your head. Okay, so you just have to find out which one that works for you and then do it. It's as simple as that. Okay. So you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate. If you appreciate what I said in this video, please share this video, like, comment, subscribe, do all those good stuff. Okay, then if you don't agree with me, it's still fine. This life, you agree to disagree. Okay, yeah, but thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care of yourself, take care of your hair, take care of your scalp. I'll see you guys.